Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Wrexham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This T7 California features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing up to 150 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely pure grey colour, this example features IQ LED matrix headlights with LED daytime driving lights. Helping you park and manoeuvre, the California also features a set of front parking sensors. Down below it sits on a stylish set of 19-inch Halmstadt alloy wheels coming in a silver and black colour. The vehicle also features the black roof option, and on the side we'll find a full rollout awning. Privacy glass lines the rear windows as well as the rear tailgate window, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, there's a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate reveal a large amount of storage space in the back, and 2 camping chairs can be found inside the tailgate itself. On the left hand side we'll find some cupboards, and down below right at the bottom left we'll find the button for the electric tow bar release. Luggage can also be stored along the bottom underneath the shelf. Taking a look inside we'll find 2 singular seats that can be reclined and adjusted forward and backwards individually. Opening up the cupboards reveals excellent amount of storage facilities in the vehicle, and there's also a single hob burner along with a sink with a foldable tap. Once the roof has been deployed, there is an excellent amount of headspace, and moving up front to the 2 front seats, we'll find 2 swiveling seats with 2 armrests each, as well as some California badging. All the seats come in a blend of leather and cloth upholstery, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system, and for the driver there's a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, along with a fully digital cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.